First one for the morning. So big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See eh? So you don't know. Beautiful day, beautiful morning. Big up on yourself. You know what this is, you know what kind of fish, but it don't look bad. It don't look bad at all. Don't look bad at all. Why people may I tell you say all them I top use them right now because little tactics are gone, people. Little tactics are gone. Go them. See them there? I'm just reach ya. Little tactics are gone. I'm telling you people. Right now, me see big old rat see me a ground. The other rat, they are ground. Right now, me just a go on, you know? Go and deal with it same way. Cause watch a video and somebody teach me something and me nah lie. Nah grow on with people. I can't know nobody for show me feel like you about show me the video what me I do. So I can show you exactly what me about. But don't worry yourself. Eventually you're not gonna see what go on. Why GoPro just I don't know, it's sick, something wrong with it, so here we just use what I have and give thanks, don't it? So big up on yourself, another day, another Saturday outside. So go and stay tuned and go and feel good now. Because guess what? Whole heap of fish there where you catch. See? Don't left that. Yeah people, so just get another little blue parrot or so. Nice little parrot, nice size. Normally I throw them back when they're too little, but as you can see, nice size one this, so you don't know that go already. You might go get cooked. So big up on yourself. Like, literally people, you see how life go. Find a little spot and I do a little thing, you know. Only me catch about 3 fish till become so quick, you know. And the diver them come through and look there. Man then tap yourself. Man then literally tap yourself. Just that one right there so. You shoot about 3 fish a while ago. This one here so you just seen choke one in a bag. So like you know, so yeah, so fish literally the right that's how me there. Yeah, no. I see no. When me there looking, you know, whole life fish did in front of me this a while ago, and this may use to catch them. This because when they see them in a bungo, you don't need to show no lip and nothing to them. Just show something with them like. Man, I know me that catch all in the fish when you show. The amount of fish me see a while ago, but so you go. You see it big enough. And now one set of fish for one set of man. Everybody have to try, don't it? Big up on yourself again, you don't know. Grizz Life TV, they are out here and showing everything same way. Big up on yourself, no? Yeah, peeps, me catch another one, but all the thing I am, man. It's smaller than the other one, man. One kind of fish I don't like deal with, man. So, I throw him back, take out the hook and then show no. I'm not really squeezing, but I wear them slippery off all them little way. See, not way. Gone, and even soon it disappear though. Gone. Here peeps, that spot there, spot I did there before. Not do it in but another little spot there around other part there I go try it out. So just make a one move and keep on updated, you know. Sun bright of the place and now so the place warm. I normally carry the big igloos in, but big igloo too much too much for me, so what I do, I leave it in my car. So when I leave it in my car now, I have some ice in there. The car has some ice here, so me I go do now, take out them here. Look how water in there. Take out them there. And when I catch, I throw in here. So. Them I know I go stay in here, so them I go stay in my car while I carry this with me. I'll be some ice tonight. So yeah, that water they go through me now. Then me keep bag of bait tonight. That go this so. Rah. Carry the water with me. So I have a couple more water in there. I know let's throw that in there so yeah. Back up back that. Back up back this. Back this. Put in back this. Back them up. Put in this. But I mash up, you know. Sure. And then I'll put them here on the back seat. I'll just put them through the truck. Yeah, people pick up a nice track a while ago, see me? Nice blue runner. You know, say I move, I go move because I say maybe nobody even. Because people come on and see all heap of things them. Can't say people did there last night, you know. But you know, pick up a nice blue runner. Yeah man, no worry yourself. More there people, more. Me come and say me own scaly fish them, but sitting just over there so we don't go. You see a little spot there, but something just say me if you come back here so. And when I come back, I can see this fish in here. So. Like somebody catch him and throw him in there and could catch him back. But even if I do take him out, I can't go me yard. I say I can't hook him with this. Even if I do take him out, I can't move him. Just throw him back in the water. See if we hook him. Alright, see look at me hook him there. Nah, there nothing bossy, I just care about putting in the water. Me rot it. Nah, there nothing, pity you don't even know. Me nah there nothing, I just care about putting in the water. Oh. Hook him now, again now. I don't know what kind of fish, so I don't want to touch it. I'm going to take off a piece of. Take off this. Take off this now and see if we can hook him. I know a free fish we can hook, but for some reason my mind just tell me say don't take him up. Don't what you call it? Don't carry him up. So I go follow I man. But he lay down right in there. Come now man, move now. Me juke him and see if he move. Move now. Go under here so. Move. Hey, I'm not touch it. I try to save him, but he don't know that. Come no man, what can I already me ready to figure me yard now? God, the fish that never move. I just hook him a while ago, man. Smart, that's it. I'm pushing it down. Kind of alone you can't catch. Kind of hold him body. Look at that. What a fish, smart. Shit, that never wanted to. If I can't around the sun. Boss, I help you. Come on, man, let me help you. Oh, I don't know. I grew on this. I bet you me catch you now. I bet you say me catch you. I bet you. Watch me. Come here. Even harder to backside. Nice size fish too, you know. But I follow I mine. I ain't now carry on. Just so try if you free him, get him in the water. What me have in my bag, yeah? What me have in my bag? Anyway, no what me have in my bag, but yo, I go search my bag. Two bowling phone and I one and you know feel like me that take him up already. Like somebody catch him, throw him in there, and then they could catch him back if you take him out. No, no, you must be that one pliers. It's a one big hook on it. Try this with the big hook. It's just to take up more leaving in the car. After me there I say me all left early. Me there I try to see a fish. Oh, no wrong. I lift my phone go. I let my phone go drop off. Help me, I try to help your boss. Then? You can see the video, but it just. Look like you crab behind and bite him up. A butter this? No, sir. It's not a butterfish. So, me hook him and now I get him out. What kind of fish this is? Biggie.
fish this biggie. Help me help you, boss. Don't worry yourself. Help me help. Sharpie, man. Me come like afraid I fish too, bro. Hey! God do come like afraid I fish. Me don't know why. Me help you, man. Me help you. Me help you. Hush. Where rock? I want the rock to lift him up. Make him go back in the water. Come in, my boss. You're alright, man. You're alright. You're alright, man. Nobody flashing you. You're alright. Nice size fish to you know, people. Yeah, this one go cook this now in nice, you know. Voila! Go on home. What? Flow! We never see when it disappear. Well, we save a fish life. So, if you like, come just do like the video, no man. Share the video, no man. Comment, no man. And don't forget to do what? Subscribe. See? So, I'll clean up some of them fish here now and get myself ready for cut out. That's it. Yeah, people just reaching, boy. Some circumstances I could get to put them on the line for make you see what go on, but just a reach home, see them there. Everything this one I catch today. Jack, remember they call that. I think they call this shrubber, whatever they call it. Parrot and butter. Another parrot. Earlier I want to see me throw back about two or three of them. So yeah, this is how I'm going with it. I'm not going back though.